How to track orders on eBay. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can track orders on eBay. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to track orders on eBay, all you have to do is just go ahead and then actually open up your browser. Then once you open up your browser, just go to ebay.com. Once you go to ebay.com, make sure that you're simply signed into your account. Then once you sign into your account, let's say that you've ordered something and now you want to check its order status. All you have to do is just go to the My eBay from the top right. Then go to the option called Purchase History as you find it over here. Then once you go to the option called Purchase History, you'll be able to see all the sorts of options, and then you'll be able to see all purchases, the processing orders, the unpaid items, returns and cancels, show hidden orders, ready for feedback, and everything else over here. If you want to actually track an order, just go to all purchases, select the order you want to track, select track order, or you'll find the more details option on this page in order to be able to track that specific order. And that is it for today's video. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.